Tired of juggling multiple email accounts? Let's unlock the power of managing your Godaddy email directly within the familiar comfort of Gmail. First, you'll need to gather some essential information from your Godaddy account. Log into your Godaddy customer account and navigate to your workspace email settings. Look for the section detailing server settings. You'll need your incoming mail server, usually POP or IMAP, the server port number, and whether it uses SSL. Jot these down. Why they're crucial for the next steps. Now, let's head over to Gmail. Open your Gmail account in your web browser. On the top right, click the gear icon for settings, and then select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down to the Check Mail from Other Accounts section and click Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up. Enter your full Godaddy email address here, then click Next. On the next screen, choose Import Emails from My Other Account POP3 and click Next. This is where we'll use those Godaddy server details you gathered earlier. Now, carefully enter your Godaddy email address again, your password, and the incoming mail server address you noted. Select the correct port number, and crucially, check the box for Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server if you want your Godaddy webmail to still be accessible. Also, select Always use a secure connection SSL if your Godaddy server requires it. Once you've entered all the details, click Add Account. Gmail will then ask if you want to be able to send emails as your Godaddy address. Select Yes, I want to be able to send mail as, and click Next. For sending, keep your name as you want it to appear and ensure Treat as an alias is checked. Then click Next Step. Here's where we input your Godaddy SMTP server details. You'll typically find this in your Godaddy account settings alongside your POP, IMAP information. Enter the SMTP server address, your username, your Godaddy email address, your password, and the correct port, usually 465 or 587 again. Ensure the secure connection option is selected. Click Add Account. After filling in the SMTP details, Gmail will send a verification email to your Godaddy account. You'll need to retrieve that email either through your Godaddy webmail or by checking the inbox in Gmail if the initial sync has already started. To get the verification code or click the link once verified, your Godaddy email will be seamlessly integrated into your Gmail, allowing you to send and receive from one convenient inbox.